Time for the time to step up to the plate. Question 5. I'm not sure if this is as long as a real test. Question 5 is I'm reading through, scribbling along, and it's only the first part of the question. So I'm going to make an open steel box with a square base. So an open steel box with a square base. So this is a three-dimensional object. Okay, but the base is square. Okay, volume is equal to 1 cubic meter. Now maybe we need that, or maybe we need this. Whichever one's going to give us better units. Okay, now, however, the base is x meters by x meters, so we're going to use that one. Okay, and the height is y. So this is one of these ones where you have two letters and you want to have one letter. Part A asks us to rearrange the variable and get y by itself. Well, volume of a box is width times depth times height. Okay, in this case it's x times y, and we know that it's 1 meter. So we can rewrite this as 1 over x squared. That's part A done. Since they gave us the volume, I have a feeling we're going to have to maximise the area or minimise the area or something like that. Now, the cost of the steel. So the cost of the steel is 2x squared. So I'm going to put this over here. So I know what I'm aiming at, that's cost. So somewhere in the first question was, so it's open, so it means no top. I'll write that down. $2 per square meter. Okay, i.e. area. This is an area question. Right, do we have a change? This pen needs a rest. Wow, straight up. So the surface area is the base plus 4 sides. There it is in plain English. The base is x times x, and the sides are x times by y. And there's 4 of them. That's the surface area. And the cost equals $2 times $2 per meter squared. $2 per surface area. I'll use dots for multiplying. Equals 2 times all of this. Now, what am I going to put instead of y? Look, I can do that in a different colour. What am I going to put on instead of y? I'm not going to put y, I'm going to put this. So, it is 2 times x squared plus 2 times 4 is 8, and hopefully everyone can see that this is on x. And this is correct. We have done that part. Right, so I do believe from here we're going to be doing something to do with max minimums. So let me just wipe this. So if we have cx squared equals 2x squared plus 8 on x. So we're going to minimise or maximise or something like that. Either one, we need a d. We need f dash x is equal to 0. Not quite sure where my calculator is at the moment, so maybe we might have to do this by hand. Oh, use technology. Use technology. Use technology. Calculator. Now, I'll have to put this on an angle, I guess, to get it to this level. First up, shift, exit, 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 exit. Shift, menu. I'm in degrees. I need to be in radians. Right, this is going to be a technology question. Now, what's going on here is you're asked to use technology. You could do it without the technology, you'd still get the mark, I guess. but will take you quite a lot longer. And there's only a couple of marks allocated. 2x is under alpha squared plus 8 divided by x, enter, draw. Okay, can't really see too much, so shift view window, initial, it is initial, so let's make this number for y quite big. I don't know, 20, and x might be, okay. Now, all this part here where x is less than 0, that doesn't make any sense in the real world, okay? However, I can now see what I needed to see. G-solve, it is a minimum. Okay, so the minimum cost is $9.5 when x has a value of 1.2 meters. So the min cost, x equals 1.25 meters. Min cost is 9.52. Now let's not forget about what is y. I'm just going to change colours. Hey, but what is y? Y is not on part of this diagram. So y was, what was y? Y is 1 on x squared, so I'm going to go find that. Because this question say, no, I did only ask for what value of x. But I'm just going to be thorough here. 1 divided by 1.25 squared is 0.64. So this question actually only allocated 1 mark for that. But it could have asked, what is the minimum cost? And it could have asked dollars, what is the dimensions? If I had asked the dimensions, I would have needed to find both.